In today's video, we'll be talking about YouTube, the basic tutorials for YouTube, how to upload a video or YouTube Shorts, and then go on with the things that you have to learn about YouTube Studios. So when you type youtube.com, this is what it appears on the home page, and from here you can create your channel and start uploading videos to become a content creator. So firstly, to create a channel or to upload a video, you can see the icon right here. You can click on it and then click on upload video. If you have already created your channel once, then it will directly bring you to YouTube Studio, or else if you haven't already, then it asks you for your channel name. You can type the channel name and then click on create channel. After that, it will directly bring you here. So it's very simple. The basic requirement is just you need to have a Gmail account or a Google account so that you can upload on it. Now once you have done that, to choose your file, you can click on select files. Currently I'll be uploading a YouTube Shorts, so you might can know how the YouTube Shorts work. Here this video follows the rules and regulations for the YouTube Shorts. Let me tell you first, to be a YouTube Short, the video must be in the ratio of canvas ratio of 1:1 or 9:16. Sorry, 16:9. And after that, the video must be less than 1 minute. So once you do that and upload the video, it will automatically be classified as YouTube Shorts. So now once you have done the video, here you can see it's getting uploaded. Here is the video link to the YouTube video, and then the file name for it. You can change the title for the video. Let me keep it as YouTube Shorts. Now you can keep the descriptions to tell viewers about your video, what your video is about, what your video is related to. Here you can see the video is 52 seconds, which belongs to YouTube Shorts category. So now you can tell my video is about, or you can write anything that you will like to add on your video that can be related. Here you can see a warning sign. We will go to that later. It is about the copyright, so which is very important. We'll be learning that as well. Now you can use a hashtag that is used. Let's say SHOTS, shorts. So I have used a hashtag called shorts. I have added the title, the description. Now you can choose the thumbnail. Here, if there is certain thumbnail that can be classified by YouTube picks the thumbnail for you itself from the video, or you can upload your own custom thumbnail by clicking here and then choosing any of the photo. Here you can see, to add custom thumbnail, first verify your phone number. We will talk about that also. We need to have the verification, two-step verifications completed to add custom thumbnail. Currently YouTube is providing with me with the thumbnails here right now. YouTube can't figure out a perfect thumbnail, so it has, you can see this dark. I will be choosing this for now, but once you have a clean video where the characters are seen properly, then it chooses a good thumbnail for you from here. Now if you want to add it to a playlist, here you can see now it has chosen. First let's talk about thumbnail. Here you can see you can choose the thumbnail what you want. Let me just skip this for now, and then going to the playlist section. Add your video to one or more playlists. Playlist can help viewers discover your content faster. So if you want to add this to any of the playlist, for example, you might categorize your video into different playlists. For example, a different playlist for all of your gaming videos, a different playlist for all of your music videos, a different playlist for some other type of videos. So you can categorize them into different playlists. If you have already created those playlists, then you can click on select. Here you can see I have one playlist till now called gaming videos. If you want to add this to the playlist or create a new playlist, you can click on new playlist. Now let me keep this playlist as shorts. Now you can see the playlist has been created. You can click on this. If you want to add on the playlist, click on done. You can see the playlist has been selected, the sorts. Now the viewers can discover your content fastest when they go to the playlist named sorts. Now audience, is this video made for kids? This is required. Regardless of your location, you are legally required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act and or other laws. You are required to tell us whether your videos are made for kids. So if you want to learn more about this regarding what contents are for kid and what are not, you can go to this section here, click on this link. It will take you to the Google support and tell you about the content that you can use or that you may not use. Features like personalized ads and notification won't be available on videos made for kids. Videos that are set as made for kids by you are more likely to be recommended along other kids' videos. So if you click on yes, it's made for kids, it will be recommended with other kids video, or it will be recommended mostly in YouTube Kids. So also all of the personalized ads and notifications won't be available on the videos if it's made for kids. So for now I'll be doing no, it's not made for kids. You can change the age restrictions as well. Here you can see, do you want to restrict your video to an adult audience? Age restricted videos are not shown in certain areas of YouTube. This video may have limited or no ads monetization. So if you want to restrict your viewers over 18 only, then you can do that, or else you can do no, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. So I will be clicking on that, then click on show more. If you have any sort of paid promotion, like if you have accepted anything from a third party to make your video, you must let YouTube know that. It will show viewers a message that tells them that your video is paid promoted. So right now I don't have any paid promotions, so I won't be clicking on that. If you select that, you confirm that the paid promotion follows our ad policies and applicable laws and regulation. Make sure that all of the paid promotions follow the YouTube policies and all of the laws. So going down now, automatic chapters. Chapter can make your video easier to watch. You can overwrite automatic chapters anytime by creating your own chapters in the video description. You can learn more about this. So if you click on this, for example, you have a longer video that can be categorized into different parts. For example, in a certain portion you are talking about a certain thing, and in the next part you are talking about other thing, then YouTube will automatically categorize into different chapters in the video, which can be useful for the viewers to find or know what you are talking about, or to learn at what part of video you were talking about a certain portion. So now you can add tags. Tags can be useful if your content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. But still, if you can use the tags well, or if you have good knowledge of how to use tags, then this can be really helpful for your video. You can choose the tags that are searched by users mostly. For example, if they are searching YouTube shorts mostly, then if you add a tag named YouTube shorts, then most likely there is a chance, if your video is doing good, that your short will be shown there when the users search for YouTube shorts. Similarly, you can add lots of other different YouTube tags, like novel, video. You can add those tags which would probably be used by the uh, uh, viewers mostly. You can learn about that. Here you can see, learn more, what kind of tags would be really useful for you. You can use different other tags. It can be related to the video, or it can be related to something else that the viewers might search. Now going to the language and caption certification. Select your video language, and if needed, a caption certification. From here you can select a video language. If you have specified the language in your video, you can click on this. There are lots of different languages. If you have any of the certified, or let's say if you have any video language already, you can click on that. For now I don't have any of them, so let's just go back to the top and I will click on non-applicable. Now, caption certification. You can also add a caption certification if you have any of this. Click on this. Here you can see lots of different certification. This content has never aired on television in the US. This content has only aired on television in US without captions. You can choose any of them, or if you can keep it none, then that's good as well. Now, recording date and locations. Add when and where your video was recorded. Viewers can find your videos when they search for location. So you can keep your recording date if you want to, so that viewers can know about when the video was recorded. Also, video location. This can be helpful when the viewers search for the certain geographical location. Let's say if they search for USA, then there is a chance when they search for location, your video might appear there if your video is doing good. So adding a video location can be helpful, or if you don't want, you can just leave it the same as well. Here you can see I have added. There are lots of other different location. You can choose any of them and then keep it. Now, YouTube license. Here, learn about license types. You can learn about the YouTube license type. There are lots of there are mostly two different YouTube license types that is mostly used. Because this is a shorts, we can't choose this. Here you can see it is already it is already fixed as standard YouTube license. So you can now allow embedding. If you want other content creators to embed your content, then you can click on this, or if you don't want, just simply click away from this. Publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers. You will definitely want that, so that when you upload your videos, the subscribers will be notified about it, and then it will appear on their subscription feed. So after that, now you can choose the category for your video. Add your videos to categories so viewers can find it more easily. You can choose the category from here. You can see autos, vehicles, comedy, how to and style, sports, travel, events, music. It can be related to anything. Just choose a certain category that you will like to put your video on. For now, I'll be adding entertainment. After that has been done, now let's come to comments and rating. Choose if and how you want to show comments. If you want to allow all the comments, click on that, or hold all comments for review. Disable comments if you don't want to have any of the comments in your video. For now, I have hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, so that my video won't have any inappropriate comments and all of them will be held for review. Once I allow them, then they can be seen to the viewers as well. Now, sort by, you can sort the comments either from top or newest. I will be keeping it as top. Now, show how many viewers like this video. If you want people to see how many viewers have liked this video, then you can allow this. If you don't want the viewers to see this, then you can click away from that. Now, we have completed the section of details. Let's go to the video elements and learn about other things as well. Now, in the video elements, here you can see use cards and an end screen to show viewers related videos, website, and call to actions. You can add cards and in the screen. We will talk about this here. In the detail section, we haven't added any subtitles, so we can't. Here you can see it's not available here. This section. Once you add subtitles there, then this section will be available for you as well. Now add an add in screen. You must have seen for the different content creators where at the end of the video their logo appears at the video where with the subscribe button, so that you can subscribe to them, and recommendation for their other video. So you can also add that from click on add. Now here you can see the video where you will want that to be added. Let's say I want to add it at this time at 45th second of the video, and then you can choose here. If you choose this, you can see this is my channel logo, and this will be the other video that will be recommended. You have added playlist as well. This is the playlist. As you know, I have added this video to a playlist called Shorts, so the playlist will appear here. Yeah, once we have done here, you can see the time from 31 to 51. If you want to reduce that, you can definitely do that. For now, let's just not add a end screen because YouTube Shorts is already a small video, and adding an end screen at the end will block the part of the video. If you want, you can do that. As I said earlier, you can click on add and then select the layout for the end screen that you would want, and then just paste it. Similarly, add cards. Add cards is related to promoting content during your video. You can click add from here, select the certain portion that you would want to add and then you can select the type of card that you will want to begin with. Add info card linking to a video. If you want to link to a video, here you can see, you can click on that and then it will link to a video. It can be your video or something else. It can be a playlist, it can be a channel, so that people can go to that content. You can promote those content or those videos. So for now I won't be doing this. If you want to, then click on add and then it will be available. Now going to the check. YouTube checks if your content is copyrighted or not. Here you can see the warning sign which says we have copyright issue, copyright claim found. The copyright owner is allowing you to use the claimed content and will run ad on your video. So here you can see I have a copyright claim on my video, but currently my user or the copyright owner is allowing me to use the claimed content, and the owner will run the ads on my video. So my video won't be monetized. I won't be getting any money from this video if this video goes good. Also, the owner will run ads on my video for which I won't be getting any revenue. Here you can see the details from here, which section has been copyrighted. Now here I have added a music in this, so you can see the certain portion has been copyrighted, and you can see what part has been copyrighted from 0 to 52. That means the entire video has copyright section. So if you want to do some actions, here you can see you can mute the song, you can replace the song if you want, you can trim out the segment. We can't because it is for the entire video. So if you want to mute the song, you can do that. The YouTube will do it automatically for you, but the problem is it takes some time. So if you want YouTube to be removing itself, you can click on mute song or replace song if you want to change the song, or leave it as it is. If you don't want it to be monetized, here you can see the ad revenue paid to copyright owner video cannot be monetized. So this video won't be monetized. Or sometimes you might have used your own video or own audio that has no copyright claim, but some owner might still put a strike on your video. So if you are 100% sure that the content is original and does not have any copyright, then you can click on dispute, so that you can get back or remove the copyright claim on your video. But for that you need to be 100% sure. So right now I'll be allowing this. I won't be taking any actions. It is okay as it is. I won't be getting ad revenue. If here you can see the copyright owners, UMG on behalf of Kir Ina Comer slash Interscope. This is the copyright owner. Now once you have done or checked the copyright, you can click on done. You can make the changes from here. Yeah, the copyright for anything you would want, you can go to the see details and make the changes. Also here you can see, remember these check results aren't final. Issue may come up in the future that impact your video. Yeah, so remember that right now we don't have any copyright claim on the videos. I mean they haven't asked us to remove the video. So for now this is what we can do, and we can publish this as well. But later on, in the checks it might not be seen, but later on the owner might put a strike on us, and then our video might be taken down as well. So this is not always the final check. After you have done this, you can go to the next to upload your video. Now visibility, here you can see choose when to publish and who can see your video. Make your video public, unlisted or private. If you want to keep it your video to only you and people who can choose your video, you can click on private. Here you can read it as well. Unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch your video. People with the link can watch your video. And now for public, everyone can watch your video. So you would definitely want it to be public. If you want to set an instant premiere so that the subscribers will be notified when your video is going to be premiered, then you can have on that. Also, you can schedule your video for when you want to publish it. If you click on this, here you can see the time, the date, time zone, and the video will be private before it is published. So I won't be needing schedule for now. Let me just keep on public. Yeah, we don't need a schedule for now. So now let's learn about, before you publish, check the following. Do kids appear in this video? Make sure you follow our policies to protect minors from harm, exploitation, bullying, and violation of labor law. You can learn more about this. Looking for overall content guidance, our community guidelines can help you avoid trouble and ensure that YouTube remains a safe and vibrant community. So make sure you follow all of the YouTube community guidelines so that you won't get in trouble, or your videos won't have any type of strike later on. So that's it. You can learn more about this from here. Once you have done all of this, checked all of this, then you can simply click on publish. Now you can see the video has been published. You can share them directly from here to WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, or anywhere you like. This is the link to your YouTube video. You can copy this and then paste it to wherever you would want to share it. Now for now, let me close this. Now you can see in the content here, we can see this video which we have published, processing HD version, public. We have a copyright claim as we talked earlier. Now going to the dashboard. Let's learn about YouTube Studios more. So this is the channel dashboard. This is where the main homepage of YouTube Studio. When you click on YouTube Studio, YouTube takes you to this point here. You can see all of the summary, basic summary for your channel, latest YouTube short performance, views 0, average percentage views, like, etc. All of them are 0. Here all of the summary can be seen. Here you can see the channel analytics all as well. Our current subscribers are 0. The summary for the last 28 days, views are 0, watch times are 0, top videos for last 48 hours. You can go to the channel analytics, which is here, to learn more about this. We will do that later in the video. Also, you can see the comments from here. Here in dashboard, you can also see your monthly roundup each year. Get the latest on everything that's important to you as a creator. We have got you covered in our latest roundup. So here, the news from YouTube will be provided. That might be helpful for you. Do check it out if you want. Get ready for the YouTube roundup. Here you can see it gets updating every day or every week. Let's say there might be different things. Similarly, ideas for you as you are getting just started on YouTube. YouTube provide you with different ideas. You can see, welcome to YouTube. We have got tips for uploading videos for your channel. Learn the basics of setting up your channel today. You can go to Take Me There. Now here are the tips for you to begin with. Learn how to upload your videos from your computer with YouTube Studios. Uh, if you want to learn everything about in brief or the way of YouTube, you can click on this, so it will be easy for you. Here are the things to keep in mind. If this is your first time, don't worry about making the perfect video. Getting started is the key. You will have the option to edit video settings or delete the video later on. Here you can see the basic. Try uploading a test video to get comfortable with the steps. Use YouTube video privacy settings to set your video to public, private or unlisted mode. Here are some of the tips. You can always come to YouTube help for any types of problem that you have, any type of issue that you want to get fixed. That is here. And now creator insight. This is a part in dashboard where it tells you what is happening this week at YouTube. You can see hello insiders. Today we are back with two launches, key moments on mobile and across channel live redirect. You can watch this on YouTube if you want. This will be updated. Now what's new in studio? This will update you about the updates that have been made on YouTube Studio. You can see new research features in YouTube Analytics, new creator tips, change to OSCs and community guidelines strike. You can learn about the changes by clicking on this icon right here. You can learn about the new creator tips. You can also learn about the new research features in YouTube Analytics. So once we have done that, you can learn about any of this if you want. Now let's go to the content. Here all of the videos that you have published will be seen. This is a basic summary for your videos. Here you can see the videos. You can click on the analytics or edit button to edit the details. Here are the comments. You can view it on YouTube as well. If you want to edit the title and descriptions, you have the option here. You can get a shareable link so you can share it directly. You can promote it. You can download the video, and if you want to delete the video forever, you can do it from here. If you delete the video forever, you won't be able to get it back. You have to upload it again from the very beginning. So all of your history, that all of the views that you have got will be deleted forever. Now the visibility. If you want to change the video visibility at any time due to certain reasons, you can do it from here. You can change it to private or make it unlisted. Right now I'm okay with public, so let's just keep it that. Now here you can see the copyright claim. We talked about this while uploading video, what kind of copyright claim we had in our video. Here you can see your video is sorry uh, yeah, so your video is eligible for monetization due to a copyright claim. Review details and dispute the claim if you believe this is an error. So as I said earlier, if you believe that this is an error, then you can have the review for it. You can dispute the claim. Revenue is held separately until a dispute is resolved. So until the dispute is resolved, the revenue will be held separately. You can learn about the copyright more from here and learn more. Here you can see monetization during content ID disputes. You can learn about that. Also here for the copyright claim basics, you can learn about the copyright strike basics, dispute a content ID claim, submit a copyright counter notification, monetization during content ID disputes, what is a manual claim, requirements for a counter notification, the difference between copyright takedowns and content ID claim. All of this can be really helpful when your content gets copyrighted, or if you want to learn more about the copyright claim, click on any of this to learn. Here you can see the basic summary for that. If you get a copyright strike, it means that the copyright owner submitted a complete and valid legal takedown request for using their copyright protected content. When we get this type of formal notification, we take down your video to comply with copyright law. So this is all it. Also remember that deleting a video with a strike won't resolve your strike. Learn how to resolve a copyright strike below. If you want to know about how to resolve a copyright strike, then you can click on this, or you can learn more about this. As I said earlier, from YouTube help, you can solve any issues. You can learn about any issue. There are different blogs for this. There are different articles, steps for how to do it. So this place might be really helpful for you. After the copyright, here we can see the date when the date was published. May 13, 2022, date published. Here you can see a brief summary for your views, comments, and the likes versus the dislike. How many likes you have on the video and how many dislikes you have on the video. Now going to the playlist section. As we know, we created a playlist earlier named YouTube Shorts. So this is the playlist here. You can see the number of videos here. We have currently just one video in this playlist. This playlist is public to the viewers. Last updated video count 1. You can see the video count here as well. So when the viewers enter your channel, they can click on the playlist to find the videos that you have placed them accordingly. Similarly, you can create lots of different playlists. You can search your title of the playlist from here, the filter. Once you have lots of different playlists with different videos, you can create a new playlist from here. Simply click on new playlist, add a title. Let's say you have created a playlist for music. You can create the playlist. You can see now the playlist has been added. Now if you make any type of music videos or anything related to music, you can place them in this playlist. As we talked about earlier, how to place a video on a certain playlist, you can do it from here. Right now we have 3 playlists here. You can see the video count is 0. You can add it whenever you want. Now the analytics. This is the place where you can learn about how well your channel is doing, how many views you are getting, all of the impressions from the audience, the engagement of the audience, everything that you will need to know about your progress. Here you can see your channel didn't get any views in last 28 days. So right now we have the summary for last 28 days. You can change it from here. Go to lifetime or any way you will want. So here you can see this is the for lifetime, or you can go to last 28 days or any way you want. So here latest video, you can see the brief summary for that, views 0, average percentage views, and the likes. Now overview. This is the overview for your channel, how many views you have, how many watch time you have in hours, and how many subscribers you have. You can go to see more if you want to look at in detail. Now here your video will be shown in a line chart, or if you want to change that, you can change it to bar chart as well. We don't have any video, like we don't have much data to show. This is why the chart is blank. Similarly, you can visit the traffic source where you can see about the traffic source on your videos, the views by the traffic source. You can scroll down here, you can see the views, the watch times in an hour, average view duration, impression, and the impression click-through rate. We can talk about that in more details. So first, let's go to geography first. Once you start getting lots of views, then YouTube will classify how many views you get from what geographical area, so that you can know where your audience are from, people of what geographical region most like your video. So that might be helpful for you to make content related to them, or that for example, let's say many of your content creators are from UK, then you can make certain contents that might interest the UK viewers even more, so that a more population or a more amount of people will get attracted to your video from that region. So this might be helpful. Similar to the geography, here you will get to see the viewers is what is bar is mostly attracted to your videos. Here just scroll down, you can see the S bar, 13 to 17 years, 18 to 24 years. For example, the most of your viewers are from 18 to 24 years, then you can make content or you can improve your content so that the viewers of that age bar will be even more interested. For example, 70% of your viewers are 18 to 24 years, then why not make better content from them, so more of them will be attracted to your channel, so you can get more subscribers and more views from them as well. You can see once you start getting views, you will the views will be classified on the basis of viewers age, average view duration, what age gap watches your video for, what, how long. For example, the uh, age bar from 25 to 35 34 years might watch it for few time, while the 18 to 24 might watch it for a longer time. So the average percentage viewed and the watch time in hours, here you can see the estimated total hours of viewing time of your content from your audience will be shown here. Right now we don't have the specific data for that. Similarly, going to the viewer's gender, you can know about your viewers gender here, who are interested more in your videos, whether they are male, female, or if they are user specified. Here there can be the views, from whom you are getting more views, the average view duration from them, the average percentage viewed, and the watch time in hour, how long they are watching your videos for. Similarly here, date, which date was your videos published, and what days, or at what date your video got how many views. Similar to the playlist section, this is about the playlist, how well your playlist is doing, the watch time in hours for playlist, the views, the playlist starts, average view duration. Similarly, the device types will be shown here. We don't have the enough data for it to be shown currently. You will get the views, watch time, hours, and average view duration from here. Now going to more, you can learn more about the analytics. You can learn about the subtitles, how the subtitles are doing, end screen elements, end card element, card types. For example, subtitles and CC. If you go to that, here now you will get to see the analytics for the subtitles. You can also have a compare to, so if you have lots of different video, you can compare your two videos, so that you know if the video is doing well or if the video has some defects in it, so that it isn't doing well. Yeah, that's all. Now you can go back to the analytics section. Now if you go to the reach, in the reach section here you can see impression 67% less than previous days. Here you will get to see about the impressions on your videos, how the people have the impressions on the videos. Also there is impression click-through rate, depending on your thumbnail, or depending on your video type, how many people click through your video. So the impression click-through rate will be available here once your video has enough data. Similarly, the views will be available here as well, how many views your video has been getting, and all of the unique viewers will be shown here too. You can see more about this from here. Click on see more. As you can see, this is the video. It takes you to the analytics advanced mode. You can go there directly by clicking on this as well. Now after the reach, let's go to the engagement. The watch time in hours will be shown here, and what is the average view duration of your video. How long are the viewers interested in your video will be available here. Now going to the audience, we talked about this earlier. You can know about your audience as well. Here you can see the returning viewers, how many viewers are returning to the video, and the unique viewers will be available here as well, and the videos, how many of your subscribers are watching your videos. So that graph will be available here. You can see the chart guide here. Once you get enough views, that will be available. Now going to the research section, you can explore what viewers are searching for on YouTube. So for example, this is where you can explore when your videos are found while the viewers search for it. For example, let's say your video was found by a viewer when they searched for Marvel videos. So this is where you can search for the term or topic. Here you can see, or start with an example instead. You can search for that, or also you can go for your viewer search. Explore search terms relevant to your channel based on what your viewers and viewer of channels like your are looking for. So as I said earlier, you can see what your viewers are looking for, or what kind of videos your viewers mostly look for in YouTube. So you can make similar content to that, or you can have similar tags used in your videos to that. Use this tool to research some of the top sources from viewers on your channel and of course YouTube in last 28 days. So this might be really helpful for you. Right now we don't have any results. Try searching for something else, as I said. So all searches here you can see. Also I added the location, if you remember, in the details of the video as United States. So when the viewer search for United States, my video might appear and it will be shown here. So this is how analytics work. You can know about your channel. You can know how it is going. Now let's enter the comment section. Once your video gets lots of different comments, all of them will be shown here. As you know, I have kept the video for the comments in the video for hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. So all of those comments will be available here in held for review. You can approve them or you can delete them if you want. Here will be available all the published videos. You can search them from filters as well to those you haven't responded, or it can be questions as well. For example, if you click on content questions, all the videos that content question will be available. The subscriber count, according to the subscriber count, will be available. Set no filters as default. You can set them and view the comments, choose the comments what you want to do, and then continue with your video. Similarly, going to the subtitles, we haven't added any subtitles on your video. Here you can see, if you want to choose the language, you can go here, make this default for my channel. You can set the video language. We talked about this in the details of the video as well. We won't be needing any subtitles. If you have added subtitles, this might be helpful for you. Now going to the copyright, we have talked about copyright earlier. This is where you can remove your copyright request from. Here you can see the removal request. Nothing to see yet. You haven't submitted any copyright takedown request looking for a copyright claim somebody made on your video. Check the video list. So if somebody has made a copyright claim on your video, you can make a removal request or takedown request. If you believe that the content isn't copyrighted, you can do it from here. So they will be available here. You can click a new removal request, add a video. Here you can see affected party, content, secondary email, phone. You can have a dispute from here. You can send a request video removal. You can see all of the options here. You can have legal agreements, everything you need. This is a complete process. The owner is here. Your videos, you can add a video. If you want to take down, you can do it from here. I have shown you the process right here. After the copyright, let's go to the monetization section. There are certain steps that you need to complete before you get monetized on YouTube. Here you can see, as a YouTube partner, you will be eligible to earn money from your videos, get creator support and more. You can learn more about this, how to grow with YouTube. To get into the YouTube partner program, you need to meet the criteria as listed below. After you submit the application, your channel will get reviewed by the YouTube against our YouTube monetization policy. If you want to learn more about the YouTube monetization policies, you can click on this. All of the factors that need to be known about before getting monetized is available here. Here you can see the recent monetization policies is here. Here you can see what we check when we review your channel. They review your channel before you get monetized. You can see the main theme, the most viewed videos, newest videos, biggest proportion of watch time, video metadata including titles, thumbnail and description. They will have a review of it and then you might get monetized. But before that, you need to complete these 4 steps, which is 1,000 subscribers required. We have 0 currently. 4,000 public hours, watch hours required. We have 0 as well. Make sure that the 4,000 public watch hours is within 365 days. So if you don't reach 4,000 watch hours within 365 days, your channel can still get channel won't get monetized. 2 step verification. You can turn on the two-step verification anytime. For that, you need to add an email and a phone number so that your channel can be kept safe. Here at the top, you can see as well, your account is at greater risk of attack because you don't have two-step verification. If you turn this on, then there will be extra security for your channel. Also, you can't have any strike on your channel if you want to get monetized. Zero activity community guidelines strike ineligible if you have active strikes. We don't have any active strikes, so here you can see the tick sign right here. Once you complete all of these, then they will send you an email when you are eligible to apply. This is all about monetization. You can definitely learn more from here. Now going to the customization section. The channel customization is divided into three parts: layout, branding, and basic info. You can add a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed yet. So when they enter your channel, they get to see that video first about your channel trailer. Similarly, featured video for returning subscribers. They can see the video which is featured. So once the subscriber return to your channel, when they click on your channel, they will be able to view that channel. Now featured sections. Customize the layout of your channel with up to 12 sections. You can create 12 different sections. So when the viewers view your channel, they can find your video easily within the sections. For example, I have a section called short videos. That will be one section. Uploads as one. Once my channel starts getting views, then most of my most popular videos that can be categorized as well. Similarly, gaming videos, you can add different sections. It is very similar to playlist, so you can add 12 different sections, uh, so the viewers can easily find your videos. That can be really helpful. You can add a section from here. Click add sections. Here you can see the section: popular uploads, lives now, past live stream. As you can see, you can categorize them: subscription, featured channels. We can do this all out from here. Now going to the audio library. Before that, let's go to branding. We haven't seen branding as well. Now from here, you can add your channel logo. You can add a banner image. You can add a video watermark. Here is the requirement. You need to have 98 into 98 pixels and 4 MB or less. Now click on upload. Select the picture that you would want. Let me go down here. Click on this. This is the image. Now you can select a certain portion that you will want to be your channel logo. I have selected this part. Click on done. Now here you can see this is my channel logo. Now you can either change it or remove it. Now for the banner image, you can see this is the basic requirement. You can learn more about it. Now to upload, click on upload. Similarly, select one of them. I will click this. Now this is how it will view on TV, this is how it will be viewable on desktop, and this is how it will be viewable on all device, for example mobile. So you can change the size however you want, or let's say if I want this to appear as viewable on all devices on desktop and for TV, this will be okay. So I will be clicking this, done. Now you can see here, this is how it appears. You can remove it or change it anytime. Now similarly, you must have seen watermarks for different videos in YouTube. You can add them as well. This is the basic requirement: 115 to 150 pixel is recommended. Click on upload. It is very easy. Choose the file that you would want to be a thumbnail. For example, let's just click this, click on done. Now this is what it appears. You can also choose the display time if you want to appear it at the end of your video, at the entire video, or the custom start time. I would want this to be at the end of the video, so when the video ends, it will appear, and a subscription box, a red box to subscribe will appear, so viewers can click on that to subscribe my channel. You can change it or remove it anytime. Make sure that you click on the publish button after you do this all, so that it will appear on your channel. Once you have done that, it will take some time, and then can see it's loading here. You can see the channel changes published. Now you can go to the channel to view it. Now after customization, let's go to audio library. We will view the channel after some times. Now this is where you can get all of the music that are copyright free. You can use this for your content. You can add music to certain type uh, of your videos. So you can select the music. For example, let's say here you can see mood, artist, genre, duration, license type. You can download the videos and use them. You can also search by filter. For example, let me search dramatic. If I want to use a dramatic music in my videos, here you can see the related musics for that. You can see the cattle, thunder. For example, let's say if you like this, if you like this music, let me pause this. If you like this, then you can download it and then use it while you are editing your video. You can also keep it as add a star. So if you keep this star, the next time it will be appearing here in star. Here you can see, so that let's say if you want to use that type of music frequently in lots of your different videos, you can do that. If you have keep that in star, you can see there are lots of other different types. Here you can see the mood as happy, dark, bright, calm, inspirational. You might want different types of music depending on the videos that you are making. Here's the duration for the music. Simply download and use it as you want. Now according to the here you can see music. Now you can go to the sound effects as well. Similar to the music, this is about the sound effects. You can see if you want to use kids playing in your video this effect somewhere. Here you can play this. You can see the sound here. If you want to use this, you can download this and edit it to your video wherever you want. Also, if you are using this frequently, then you can save it as well. This is all about the YouTube library. Once again, let's go to the customization. We haven't gone to the basic sections here. You can edit your channel name and description. For example, I have this as my channel name. Let's say let me change this to, let me change this to, so I have kept this as my channel name for name. You can also add a description about your channel so the viewers know what your channel is about. My channel is related to, you can add the description any way you like. You can give info about yourself, what kind of videos you make. This is the channel URL. You might want to share this to your friends or your viewers, so they can subscribe to it. You can also add links to the site. Here, add links to the site. You want to share them with your viewers, click on add link and you will be able to do that. Also, here is the contact info so the people can know how to contact with me for business inquiries. You can see the email address you enter may appear in about section. After you do all of that, make sure you click on the publish button. Once you have done that, here you can see the channel name has been changed. This is all about YouTube Studios. We have learned everything about the YouTube Studios. If you want to go to the settings, you can learn about the settings. Default unit, channels. You can make the basic info, advanced settings already into here. You can see you can change the tags to your channel. For example, if you always upload about technology, then you can keep this tag. Similar, you can make the upload defaults. If you have are making very similar type of video, then you can keep them as upload defaults. Similar to the advanced settings as we talked about earlier, you can add caption certification, YouTube license. You can keep this as default. Here is the permission. This is my owner. If you want to add some rules, like if you want to keep a manager or editor for your channel, you can invite them, keep their email address, and they can do that. Here's the community. You can add moderators to your channel, you can add approved users and hidden users. Similarly, you can keep the defaults from here. The default is hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. You can change it and keep it as default. Here are the agreements. All use of the service is subject to the YouTube terms of service. You can learn more about this from here. This is all about the YouTube studios. Now let's go to our channel. So now this is how my channel appears. You can see this is the home, and as you know, we have categorized in sorts. This is how my video appears, one view already. Now you can go to the videos. All of the videos that you publish will be available here. In the sort by, you can see date added, most popular, oldest to newest. You can choose this, and similarly here you will get to see the playlist of the videos. All of your liked videos, this is private. The videos that you have liked will be available here, and this is my public video. I have added one video till now. Similarly, you can create lots of different playlists, add different videos to them so the viewers can find it easily. Now going to the channel sections, before we saw if you want to add any featured channels. If you want, then you can add them so that you can help other channels grow, or if that channel is related to you, you can add the link to them. Now to customize your channel, if you want to change the logo, if you want to change the banner image, anything, you can do it directly from here, or go to customize channel. And then also to manage all of your videos, you can click on this. It will take you to studio, and then you can do that. Now about at last we discussed how it works. We added a description to our channel. This is the description to my channel. Here you will get to see the stats, when did I join on YouTube, the total number of views that I have been getting, and the details. For business inquiries, here you can click on this and an email will appear for people who want to have business inquiries with you. Similarly, location, you can see the location right here. At last, if you go to the YouTube studio and go to the settings, you can change the location as well. If you do all of that, now this is what the viewers can find about you. They can know about they can see your YouTube stats from here. When you join the YouTube views, everything your viewers will need to know about you. Now let's go to the home page. This is all the videos that are trending around you, or that are popular, will be shown here. You can go to the explore section and explore the videos that are most trending here. These are the trending videos. For music, the videos that have been trending here, you can see these are the trending. The biggest hit today is, similarly community. Here all of the trending videos will appear right here. Again, going to the explore section, you can watch that for gaming as well. Based on the subscription and history, all of them will appear here. Similar to the sorts, we uploaded a sort. Similarly, here other sorts will be shown that are trending right now.
0.02 seconds. This is the one.
These are all the sorts that are trending.
And in order for me to do that, I first need.
You can go down, scroll down. All of the YouTube sorts that are trending will appear here. You can enjoy them, watch them. Similarly, when your sorts get more views, then it might appear here as well. Now going to the subscription, all of the content creators that you have subscribed will appear here. Their videos will appear here. If right now we haven't subscribed to any of that, so here are some of the recommendation for us to subscribe. If you want to subscribe to any of these, let's say, simply click on these. They are categorized on different basis, on music. Now once you have subscribed them, all of the videos that they published will be available here in subscription. Similarly, going to the library, all of your history, what you have watched, your uploads, your subscription, your likes. Currently I subscribe to 4 channels. All of them will appear here. Watch later, liked videos, everything will appear here. So this is all we need to know about YouTube here. We learned about how to watch the trending videos, shorts, subscription library. We also talked in detail about uploading a video. We talked about the copyright claims, how to remove a copyright takedowns, what to do when your YouTube has a copyright claim, your video has a copyright claim. We talked about the different features of YouTube Studios, how to get monetized, customize your channel, and then we also talked about the YouTube libraries from where you can adopt music and sound effects for your videos. So this is all we need to know for the basic of YouTube tutorials and for the YouTube studios. Everything has been contained in basic and in brief here. You can learn more about any of these factors by clicking on the link available there where it says learn more as we discussed earlier. So that's all. Hope you like the video. Thank you.